In our studies of circles, we want to know about the circumference of a circle. What is the circumference of a circle? Well, that would be the distance around the circle. If we could straighten this distance out and measure it and find the distance from here all the way around to here, that would be the circumference. So it's the distance around a circle. Now, pi is an interesting concept, okay? If you're talking about circles like this one, or the size of the Earth, or the Moon, or Pluto, or the stars, they all involve the number pi. And pi is the same number for every circle. A clock, a coin, anything you want that's round like that as a circle involves pi. And pi is the distance around the circle. That we know that as the what? Okay? And you're going to divide it by the distance straight across the circle. Right across the circle is called the diameter. So whenever you take the circumference, the distance around it, and divide it by the diameter, that gives you pi. So pi is this ratio of the circumference to the diameter. Circumference divided by the diameter. Okay, that's pi. Okay? Now, here's your diameter. And if you want the circumference, then we're going to take what? Pi times the diameter. That's going to give you circumference. All right? Now, pi, it's really an irrational number, which means you cannot write pi as a fraction, and you cannot write it as a nice, simple little number like this. Okay? You can't write it like that. It's 3.14159. It goes on and on and on and on and on forever, and it never repeats. Okay? But it's kind of hard to multiply by pi, so we're just going to round pi off and use this for pi. Or pi could be the fraction 22/7. For our purposes in these problems, we're going to use either this number here or this number here. Now, if you let the diameter be 5 centimeters, what is the circumference? And let's use 3.14 for pi, okay? And we're going to take pi times what? The diameter, and we're going to get 15.7 centimeters for the distance around the circle, called the circumference.